think I'll go back out.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, if you kids want something, let me know.
How about us two on our... Okay, let's go for a ride on our date. I'm driving. The story of the deadly. I'm gonna let go of the pedal soon. Whoa.
If you need anything to eat, let me know. Okay? I'm going to go sit out here. It's nice. You want to